Hello. Okay, so lately I've had a lot of people asking me how I style my everyday hair, or I guess I have this like one certain hairstyle that I do almost every single day. It's like my go-to, favorite, easiest hairstyle, and it's pretty much how I wear my hair in almost every picture on my Instagram. I don't change it up that much. I've been getting a lot of requests to film that, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be filming my everyday go-to hairstyle, and if you want to see how I do it, then please keep watching. For this hairstyle, you're going to need three things. You're going to need a brush. This one is just a paddle brush from Wet Brush. This is actually my favorite brush ever. They have a lot of good products, but this is one of my favorites. You're also going to need something to put your hair up with. So I'm going to be using these two clips. You can use anything to put your hair up with, whatever works better for you, but I'm just going to use these for today. And then you're also going to need a curling iron. This is, I believe it's an 1.5 inch curling iron. It's not a wand, it's a curling iron. It has one of these things, and this is what you're going to need to style your hair. I like to start by just dividing my hair in like two sections, like a top and a bottom section. So all the way around. And I don't have extensions in. And I just like to clip the top half up. So now that I have all this hair in the bottom half, I'm going to divide it down the center in the back. I'll show you, like this. So now I have like a right side and a left side. And I'm going to start on the right side as usual, and I'm going to take a section like this size, and I'm going to brush it. And I'm going to take my curling iron, and I'm going to start in like the center of this section of hair, clamp it. I'm going to start turning it away from my face, and then I'm just going to curl it, and I'm going to leave, sorry it's like hard to do this when I'm looking in the monitor, but I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out. I don't curl the very end of the hair. And I just wait a couple seconds and then it's curled. And I don't do anything to it, I just leave it, okay? And I move on, and I'm going to do that to the entire right side of all this hair. And all of these pieces are going to be curled away from my face. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the left section of hair, and I'm going to repeat the same exact steps except for on this side. And again, every single section of hair that I curl on this side is also going to be curled away from my face. Okay, so now that I've curled the entire bottom section of my hair, I'm going to take down the rest of my hair and curl that. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to split this down the middle so there's like a left and a right. And I'm going to start on the right side. And starting from the back, I'm going to just take small sections again and curl all of that hair. Okay, so notice how I haven't brushed any of the curls out yet. I've just left them, right? And I've just been moving on and curling all the straight parts of my hair. So I'm going to go onto this left side and I'm going to curl all the straight hair on this side as well. Same thing as all the other sections, just taking small sections and curling them away from my face. And remember, I'm not curling the very end, right here, end of my hair. I'm leaving that out. And by leaving the end part out of your hair, it just kind of creates more of a wave versus like a curl at the end, and you'll see what I mean when I'm done. Okay, so now that I've curled this left side, pretty much all my hair is curled. I like to go back in to the tops and I like to take really small pieces at the top. Make sure that the base part is really curled. So I basically, see how I'm leaving all this out? I'm just like, I guess, reassuring that the base part is curled. And I'm just doing kind of like random small sections right at the top of my head. Okay, so here's the fun part. Finally, you get to brush out. I just like to finger through all these waves because I don't want them to stay like ringlety. I want them to be wavy. So I just take my fingers and just kind of like finger through all these waves, brush them out, whatever. Sometimes I will take my brush and just brush through everything once. And then you're just left with these really pretty waves. And I personally don't use any hairspray or product in my hair because I actually feel like it weighs it down and actually makes my curls fall out more. Everyone has different hair though, so if you feel like hairspray actually holds a curl in your hair, then maybe you should use it. But for me, I don't like to use any product in my hair. I feel like it just weighs it down and makes it feel gross. I like the way my hair feels when it's dry and clean. And this is just my everyday go-to hairstyle, and I hope that it was fairly easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sometimes I'll change like the way I part my hair, so maybe I'll like change and part my hair on the side. I don't know, it's kind of just how I wear my hair every day. And I'll wear it crazy, I wear it big. I always mess with my hair too, and I like, you know, I'll wear it like this or flip it over and wear it like that. Just depends what I'm feeling. But that's it, super easy, and that's my everyday go-to hairstyle. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments or even suggestions for new videos, then leave that in the comment section below. Also, make sure you check out the description box. I'll list all these products that I used in this video down there, and then also there'll be a link to my previous video and then a couple coupon codes for you guys if you guys want to use those. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Mwah.